Hello guys, so in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for participalized business. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to sign up for free so you can get started free. So let's get started. So as you see here, it will take you to the dashboard. As you see here, this is the dashboard, and here where you're gonna set up your website and storefronts. Okay, so click here, set up your website and storefront. It will take you to the editor page here where you're gonna design and customize your site. So the first thing here, you have to go to the settings and go to the templates and select here the template you wanna use. So for the topic of the participalize, I think okay, I think I'm gonna choose um, okay, I'm gonna choose this one here, and you can design it as you like. So the first thing here, you have to go to the header and the menu, add the logo. Okay, add the logo as text or as an image as you like. So after this, you can customize here and manage the navigation menu, so you can delete any menu item you don't like it. You can add your own menu item. So that's it. Now let's go back. So in the design of any section on your site, you have to try your best to make your site look attractive to anyone can visit your site and attract to your business. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and the size, the color, the spacing. That's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section, the cover and the headline. So here enter your tagline, enter the title. For example, in the title you can type uh, party supplies, just a simple like this. Okay. Here in the description you can introduce your business to your customers. You can type, for example, welcome to our site for welcome to our site for party supplies. Okay, just a simple like this. You can change it. This is just a simple description. And the image, of course, you have to change it. So go to the browser and search on party supplies. Okay. So select one of these images here. Okay, I need one simple like this one here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Go back to the editor and change it. So that's it. After this, go to the design and choose your favorite layout here. Okay, and make sure don't forget the simple details like I said. Now let's move on to the next section, the store section. So you can use this title here. Okay, so to create your product, you have to go to the dashboard and click here add your product or services. Now as you see, go to the new product, and here you have to enter the product gallery, the name of your product, the REF, and the weight on kilograms. So you can here enter the take a picture of your product and add it here, and you can customize here the prices options. After this, add the description of your product. So if you're done from this place, save this and go back to the editor and complete here the design of your background and the title, the product name, the product image, the product price, and the buy button. Now let's move on to the next section. So here you can use this description to talk about your product and your business, your quality of your business, why should your customers buy from you or use your services. So that's it. Now the design, nothing special here, choose your favorite one. Let's move on to the next section. So of course you have to change this title. If it's matched with your business, you can keep it just like this. So the image, you have to go and change it from here. So I'm gonna choose just a simple. Okay. I think I'm gonna choose this one here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. So go back and change the image. That's it. Now go to the design and choose your favorite layout here. So that's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the customer reviews. So you can change the title. If you want to add the review text, click here. You can add the review text and the author name. Also you can add the image. Design, choose your favorite one. So nothing special here. Okay, the same thing as normal. Let's move on to the next section. So you have to change this one here. You can keep it if it's matched with your business. The description also you can change it. You can use this description to talk about your offers, what your company offers to your customers. Let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section. So here you can enter the subtitle, and in this description here you can change this description, and for example you can type your typography. So you can talk about your typography, your story, and what makes you start your business, and your experiences. So that's it. And the design, nothing special. Choose your favorite layout here. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the next section, the contacts. Here you can use this description. For example, we are always happy to see you. Okay, so just a simple one like this. uh, you can enter here your business address, or you can enter the exact postal address or the plus code. The daily hours, also you can change the daily hours here, and you can enter the contact information, the social profiles, your Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. That's it. In the design, choose your favorite one. I rather to choose this one here of the map in the background. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back, and the last section here, the future section. So enter here your company name for the copyright, and that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So after you're done, you can just publish your website. Now your site is published. Now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.